neighbor that sent me this link to go for this job. The experience is horrible. I feel
Aku dédé àkókò yìí níbi gbogbo tá a bá ti lóore ọ̀fẹ́ láti máa wo ìkànnì Ayelujara Màlífà TV. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, a dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín pé ẹ ṣé sà, ẹ ṣé mà. Torí pé ẹni jọ̀jọ̀ àgbò tó jẹ́ kágbò tiwa níyì. Ọlá tiyín làwa fi ń yan. Thank you so much always. I saw something and I know it is possible for you guys to have seen it all. But I just like to talk about it. I like to talk about it. I like to say some things about it. What is that? Is this? The level of which scammer or scamming is increasing in Nigeria these days is, I don't know, it's just too much. Imagine, for imagine for someone who does not have money, who does not have what to do, and is still willing to work, who is not willing to beg people, and like, okay, this is a vacancy alert. Let me just join. Let me just do some things so that at least me too can have money, and yet this set of people are staying in a place and, with this dubious heart, still, I don't know. I don't know why some people behave this way, because my question is, whatsoever you become in life, a day is coming, you put it all on ground and you go to heaven. So you don't even remember there's life after death? I felt for this lady. I will show you. I know you might have seen it, but let me just talk about it. I felt for her so much. She was like, she wanted to take an usher job from somewhere. She just do like 3-4 days. The money is awesome, so like 10,000 per night, and for 4 days 40,000. No, she might have calculated so many things. And neighbors, let me tell you this. Yorùbá máa ń sọ wípé tí kúlé ò bá pani tòde ò lè pani. Ẹni tí a jọ ń jẹ tá a jọ mu báyìí náà ló lè mú pass èèyàn lẹ̀. If you are fond of doing that, tẹ́ ẹ bá jẹ́ aríjẹ nídìí màdàrú, you better stop that, because the Lord is coming so soon. Revenge is coming so soon. Nemesis is coming so soon. She said her neighbor was the one that gave her the link to call this person, chat this person up. And she did. My question is, the neighbor that is in charge that gave her the number, where did she see the number? If she does not know those people very well, where did she get the number that she gave the woman? This is terrible. This is not too good. This is bad, for crying out sake. Please, let us stop doing what is not good in the eyes of the Lord, as Christians will say. Because whatsoever you do today, tomorrow you shall repeat. Remember, there is law of karma. It will surely end where it started. There's no money you take on life, you have in life that you take into heaven. So why are you making it, and why are you allowing money to get you crazy? Why is it that you are working more than you ought to work? Why is it that you're doing more than you ought to do? My dear friend, if you're in this position that you're like, you always eat from where it is not ought to eat from. You'll be the one that will pass evil. You better stop. Because Nemesis is coming soon. Let me leave you to watch this lady. Her experience.
good afternoon, everybody. I'm Choice. I had a terrible experience yesterday with one chance. A friend sent me a number that they needed Osha sending. I chatted the person, the number my friend sent me, my neighbor rather. So I chatted the number, they gave me description, I asked them questions and the rest. They said the event was going to start by 8:30 and I should come. It was an all-night event. They had a reservation for all ushers. So I entered the road I was going, and the job was for 4 days. They were going to pay us 10,000 naira each. So they said later, they called me and said that there's a bus that they're speaking, their ushers and some people that are coming for the event that will wait for us at Bega in Abuja. So I got to Bega, I called him, he was like, okay, the bus already passed because of time, because I think that was around after 8 or thereabouts, because of time. So he would direct me on how to get to where they were. So he directed me, I entered car, and then I waited for him at a filling station, AA Rano filling station around Karimo. He said he was going to send his Ghana to come and pick me. I got there, the guy came, picked me, we were going. I said this place was far. He said, no, it's the back gate that we're going to take. Since I didn't take Uber, we can only take the back gate because the front gate is far. I said, okay, so I followed him. Then all of a sudden, he brought out a gun, took me into the bush, asked me to strip naked, collected my bag, checked the things I had, took my phones, collected my Hawaii phone, collected my iPhone, then collected my torchlight. He said I should take loan. I said I've never taken loan in my life. I've never taken loan in my life. He said I should start calling people to send me money. Actually, I didn't have anybody to call to send me money. Then I called one of my friends. So they said I should ask him to send me 30,000. I asked him to send me 30,000 naira. So he sent me 30,000 naira. They gave me an OP account. These guys stripped me naked. They molested me so much. So much. I'm putting this out there so that girls, please be careful. Because after they left me, they said I should go and look for my clothes. I was looking for my clothes. I didn't get my clothes. The clothes I wore, the trouser I wore was not for me. I also saw it there. Exactly the same things I took was the same things the other girl took. They did whatever they did to. Only God knows. So they collected my iPhone and said I should go, that they don't need an iPhone. At the end of this video, I'm going to put the receipt of the money I sent to them, the chat, the sticker they sent to me for the event, and the trouser I picked from the bush before I ran out to look for help. And please, anybody watching this video should be very careful, because I don't know what to say. Don't take, even your friends, don't trust them, because it was my neighbor that sent me this link to go for this job. The experience is horrible. I feel so pained, not just for me, but for every other person out there that has experienced it, because the clothes I picked on the ground was not mine. I didn't even find my own clothes. I beg you. Please, girls, let's be careful. As much as we're trying to look for what to eat, let's also be careful, because this experience, I don't even wish it for my enemy.
Can you see that is so terrible? Imagine what she experienced. Please, you're not beg you in the name of God. This is for we that are desperately looking for job. Let's be mindful. Let's be cautious. Let's know when to speak and when not to speak. Like the woman said in the chat, she said, some people said the place she's going to, they always collect phone and the like. She should have just wake up. But at times, Yoruba máa sọ pé nǹkan tó bá máa ṣe ni ò ní gbọ́. What will happen to you will not even make you realize some things. I pray evil will not be for me and you. So as the year is running over, let's be more concerned about whatsoever engagement we have or we put ourselves into. I pray may God in His mercy take total control about our lives and lives and any other thing we want God to take control of. So please, I'm bringing this to our notice and bringing this to our view. So as we too we can always be careful and we can always remember some people has been a victim, so we won't be a victim. I pray we won't fall a victim by God's grace. So, if this is your first time of joining Ayeduru Malefa TV, please kindly subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and help share. Together we can achieve the goal. Thank you.